Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope you're doing well. Let's see what's going on in Benidorm. Let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. Really busy down here, isn't it?
Yeah,
the
it's just coming up to lunchtime.
already. A couple of little empty spaces, but they're really busy. People having their brekkie.
So we're going to walk a little bit slower up here instead of stomping so fast. We're quite fast walkers. It's in our nature to be fast. We're half Jamaican each, so we know they're the fastest people in the world. If anyone could explain that to me, because England has like 75 million people, Africa, the continent, has over 1 billion, same as China, India, yeah. A little small island with only 3 million people, it's the fastest people in the world.
Time and time again.
Yeah. Is it the way they were bred by the colonisers? So do they have to blame, thank the coloniser for making them the fastest by the breeding techniques that they used? We don't know. So we're going to go straight up. That's the way you stay when you come to Benidorm. Do you like the Old Town? Do you like the New Town?
We did see a really nice hotel yesterday, didn't we? That had like see-through pools on your balcony.
You'll see that, yeah, on the video.
That looks really nice. And that was like looking over the main promenade, so
yeah,
really good. Oh, we've got someone sitting there, all in purple.
Yeah.
Don't know what the act is, but they're doing it.
What the boys are up to there.
Yeah.
Go through the bins. Have a personal joke. Personal joke, it looked like.
Yeah.
So we're going to do, we're going to try to walk as forward as possible, straight forward in a straight line.
Yeah.
And see if anyone gets in the way.
Well, of course.
Because everyone just loves to just walk straight into you. They don't seem to have the courtesy to just move to the side a little bit like we would normally have. We just step around people, but we'll see.
Guys, there's one day I might have actually gotten away with wearing shorts. On alley hop again. So many alley hops there.
So we never stayed up this little area here, but we've been for lunch up there a few times. Actually, only one time. We noticed, look, they started putting the old lights on the floor to let you know when you're looking at your phone when to cross. Because people nowadays can't walk around without having their phones in their face. The younger generation, that is, because as you can see, older generation ain't got a phone in their hands.
These bridges remind me of something. Is that where we used to ride over with the bikes? Do you know we got lost that time?
No, we went to a restaurant there.
Oh, right. Yeah, I think it was the first time we came to Benidorm. We stayed at a campsite and then we rented out like electric bikes just to go around everywhere. And then I think on the way home we got a little bit lost, didn't we?
Yeah, we always get lost when you get a bit drunk. And it's your first time somewhere.
That's a nice little bakery there. Pastry galore.
That's the same one, that's everywhere. It's just a big chain, that one.
Oh, Hotel Bristol.
Oh yeah, Old Bristol over there.
It's a big one.
So, the place that we went to is just here, it's closed down now.
Yeah.
It's got bingo behind it. what that's about.
Is it still bingo? That looks like it's gone.
Yes, this is downstairs, but it looks like it's gone, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. There's Mediterranean Centro Hotel.
Big outside space. I'm guessing that's really busy during peak time.
Yeah, what is it for?
I'm guessing they have
What's a bar?
tables and acts and stuff.
That's a big area.
Yeah, but you can imagine if that's full during summertime.
Pardon. Gracias.
And you need
So
it.
here, look at that, you can get yourself one of whatever the top one is, two of the second one, and a beer. I don't read Spanish. This one's 24. And that's there. So you got the hotel Agua Azul.
It's just all big resorts, isn't it?
Yep. We've got Victoria there and Hotel Royale on the left. So, give you a reference to where we're going, not where we are, the direction we're walking.
Oh, it really smells like freshly cut grass.
Just quickly run outside, break a bit of grass. You'll be able to smell what we're smelling. Get that smell-o-vision going. So, Hotel Benidorm Plaza.
Famous, isn't it, Hotel Benidorm? Hotel Victoria. So yeah, we walked sort of still parallel to the beach, aren't we?
Yeah.
You just go down. So yeah, it's all pretty much. If you keep going down, you'll just make your way to the main promenade.
Casa Diva. The pharmacist is 23 in the sun on that little sign over there.
Yeah, we have to find ourselves a little sun trap, aren't we?
Yeah. It's our last full day and night in Benidorm. I was here for 4 nights, Sabrina got 3 nights. Yeah. It's been fun.
Yeah, I feel like that's long enough personally for myself.
1, 2, Alicante, and on to, oh, you got Party Magic up there. Little cafeteria. So yeah, Benidorm is just a city, isn't it? It's a city like a bit like Council Estate, if you ask me, in England.
Yeah.
With all the high rises. So yeah, you got some nicer buildings, and you got some not so nice.
The
So
one in front as well, it's typical like one at home.
yeah, so where's a nice one? I don't really see a nice one at the moment, but yeah, it's very much that's it. Massive high rises next to the sea.
Yeah, I mean you get a nice view if you're at the top.
Yeah, but yeah, guys, thanks for watching. It's Wild One Tours, go to Sabrina, and we'll catch you in the very next video.